In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly remove a background in Figma. If you're working on a design project and need a clean, polished look without any distractions, removing the background from an image can make all the difference. This quick tutorial will guide you through every necessary step to achieve a seamless, transparent background. So let's dive right in. First, start by opening the design project you're working on in Figma. Once you're in your project dashboard, find and select the image or the element within your project that you want to edit. It's crucial to make sure that you've selected the correct image, as this is the main focus of the task. Now, with your image selected, direct your attention to the menu bar and locate the Action button. This button is a gateway to a range of extended functionalities within Figma that you might not have explored before. When you click on the Action button, a set of options will appear. Navigate to the Plugins and Widgets tab in this menu. This section houses a variety of plugins that can really extend Figma's capabilities and make your design process smoother. Now type Magic Cut into the search bar within the Plugins tab. Magic Cut is a tool specifically designed to simplify the process of removing backgrounds. Once you see it in the list of search results, go ahead and click on it. It might take a moment to load, so be patient while it does its magic behind the scenes. With Magic Cut ready, you'll see an option marked as Erase. Click Erase, and then carefully highlight the part of the image that you want to keep. This might sound a bit counterintuitive, but here, you're essentially protecting the portion of your image that will remain unchanged. Take your time with this step, as the more precise you are, the cleaner your final image will appear. You can use different brush sizes to help you get more detailed control, which is especially helpful if there are finer edges or intricate details to consider. Once you've highlighted the desired part, simply hit Apply. Watch as the background magically disappears, leaving you with the key image element, now isolated and background free. And that's it. With just a few easy clicks and selections, you've successfully removed the background from your image using Figma and the power of the Magic Cut plugin. That wraps up our quick and simple tutorial on background removal in Figma. If this guide helped you navigate background removal more efficiently, don't forget to give this video a like. Also, consider leaving a comment below if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future tutorials. And make sure to subscribe to our channel for more design tips and tricks that can boost your creative workflow. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.